Alright, I bought this 7 horsepower plate compactor from Harbor Freight. I'm going to review it. I've ran multiple brands of plate compactors, so I'll give you my honest opinion on this one. I paid $700, but I got 15% off, so whatever that is. Out the door, I was a little bit less than $600. I grab a trash can right now. Wheel kit, belts, must be some assembly on this thing. Looks like a little bit of oil leaked out here. I don't know if this thing came with engine oil in it or what. Still gas. No shit. So the engine oil cap wasn't very tight, so I'm going to assume that it had braking oil in it. We're going to find out here. I don't see any oil in it. Even there's remnants of it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it does not come with oil. Comes with a funnel though. I don't know what the purpose of them belts are. There's an air filter. Spark plug wrench and some gaskets. Just a replacement fuel filter. There's one in here, so I don't know the purpose of having two. Alright, let's see what kind of oil this thing takes. Alright, 10W30 motor oil this thing takes. Get some fuel and light this thing up. It says to add fuel stabilizer every time or it voids the warranty. Probably because we have garbage ethanol in our fuel in the United States. Alright, get this air cleaner put back. See how hard this thing hits. the hand throttle on the handle. It does control this throttle, so that's good. Fuel on, start, run. So go to start, flip that to on. Let's see how she does here. Close, that ain't bad. Alright, at first it seems okay. I'm going to move my excavators and stuff out of here in my skid loader, and I'm going to compact this. I'll bring you back when I get that stuff moved. Alright, I'm going to conclude this video. I am pretty impressed with this $600 piece of equipment. Who knows how long it will last. I smelt some burning rubber, so it isn't the same as a bow mag or some of the higher end, a whacker, some of the higher end compactors, but it hits pretty hard, and I don't know how good it's shown here, but it packed this in very nice for gravel on a subfloor base. I'm getting ready to pour this floor, and that's going to be part of some other videos and project. But overall, I'm impressed with it, and I'm going to be using this a lot more, so I'm going to do a follow-up on it. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.